Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a number problem. Now there's lots of words in this question, so you need to make sure you read the question really carefully so you know what you've got to do to write your answer in this box for 1 mark. Now the keywords in the question are that you're told that Olivia is thinking of a number and a number must be greater than the number 236. It is less than 245, it has a 3 in the tens place and it is an even number. You've got to work out the number Olivia is thinking of. As I said, this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Now see if you can work it out. Well done if you can straight away. If you need a little bit of help, just carry on listening. So your key facts, you need to know what these words in this box mean. So the first word is the word greater than, and that means a number that is larger than. So 236, it's got to be bigger than that, so it could be 237, 238, 500, 800, anything like that, anything that's bigger than this number. The next one here says less than. Now this less than means smaller than, so the number has got to be smaller than 245. So it could be 244, 243, it could be any number smaller than 245. Then it's got to have a 3 in the tens place, so you need to know your place values. So you've got hundreds, tens and ones. So these numbers here are all in the hundreds, tens and ones. This one's hundreds, tens and ones. So your answer is going to have a hundreds, tens and ones. And in the tens column you've got a 3. Now your answer is an even number. Now as soon as you've got an even number it means it can be divided by 2. So that means the last digit will be a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 for the number to be even. So if the last digit ends in any of those, that means it's an even number, or you can halve it, it is even. So see if you can work out what the number is. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic work, so hopefully you've managed to come up with an answer. So we're going to start off with 236, which is our smallest number, and 245, which is the biggest number, because the number she's thinking of is greater than this number and smaller than this number. So if we do a number line with all the numbers in between here, your answer has got to be one of these smaller numbers in between 236 and 245. Now you've got to have a 3 in the tens place. So if you think of your hundreds, tens and ones, there's got to be a 3 in this tens place, which means that you could have 237, 238, 239, 240. We've now got a 4 in the tens column, so it can't be any number 240 or greater. So all these numbers here, it can't be because there's no 3 in the tens column. Now we're looking for an even number. So we know an even number can be divided by 2 exactly, and it ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So out of the 3 remaining numbers, we have got ending in a 7, which is an odd number. The 238 is an even number, and the 239 is an odd number. So the even number we're looking for is this one here in the middle, 238, which needs to get written in this box here. If you got the answer correct, give yourself a big tick. Well done. It's a tricky question. If you work through it logically, you will get to the correct answer. The mark scheme on this question shows the answer as 238 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.